Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about how to write a program to determine and print the sum of the following harmonic series for a given value of n. So here is our harmonic series. The series is 1 by 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4 plus dot 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 after plus 1 by n. If we see to the harmonic series, we notice that the numerator is fixed. It is always 1 in the numerator, but the denominator is not fixed value. It is changed by 1. First one is 1, then 2, 3, 4 dot 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 after n. So we at first we write down our header file, include stdio.h. stdio.h is used for standard input output function. Now we write down the main function, integer main. Since we write here int space main, that's why we should write here return space 0. If we notice that in whole of the harmonic series there are only one variable, which one is n, and other values are constant values. So since n is a variable, we need a variable n, integer type n, and we need another variable I to control the value of denominator. To control the value of denominator, we need another variable which is I here, and we have to calculate the sum. That's why we need a variable sum. But why the data type of the variable sum is a float? Because we see that if we add first two value 1 by 1 plus 1 by 2, it will result a floating point number. That's why we have to declare a variable sum, which one is a floating point data type, which one is a floating point data type, and initially the value of sum is 0. So at first we have to take the input of n. N is the limit of the harmonic series. N is the limit of the harmonic series. So here we write for I equal to 1, I less than or equal to n, I plus plus. That means if the loop is only for controlling the denominator value. To control denominator value, we use I variable. Here I is started with 1 and always increased by 2. Sorry, always increased by 1. After it will go to n. That's why in the initial position I is equal to 1, since the denominator is started by 1, and it is increasing 1 by 1. Here is 1 2 3 4. That's why I will be incremented by 1 at a time, and the condition is I less than or equal to n. It represents that the harmonic series will go up to n position. That is our main concern here. So what is the equation will be there if we analyze is that sum is equal to initially 0 for I equal to 1. The equation will be sum equal to sum plus 1 by I. That means we have to add sum and 1 plus 1. Then after updating the value of sum, we have to add sum plus 1 by 2. After updating sum again, we have to add 1 by 3. So we add always updated value with sum here. So here I is, when I is equal to 1, sum equal to sum plus 1 by I. That means 0 plus 1 equal to 1. But when I equal to 2, sum equal to the new value of sum is here 1. That's why the new value of sum is 1 here. So 1 plus 0.5, that means 1.5. So new value of sum is 1.5. When I equal to 3, sum equal to sum plus 1 by I. Here, since there the value of sum is 1.5, that's why here the value of sum is 1.5, and the value of 1 by I, that means 1 by 3, the value of 1 by I is 0.3333 something, so we will get 1.83 here. So that's why we have written the statement sum equal to sum plus 1 by I here. So after calculating the sum, we have to show the total sum outside of the loop. We use printf function. We use printf function here, and the sum will be displayed up to two floating points number, so 0.2f we will surely write here. So 0.2f is for sum. Now we have to debug this. Now we have to debug this. Now we are starting our debug. We are starting our debug. Suppose the value of n is equal to 3. So here we see that the value of n equal to 3. Now we press shift F7. See, initially for I equal to 1, what will be the value of sum? The value of sum will be sum equal to sum plus 1 by I. That means sum equal to 1. We already discussed it here. Okay. So in case of I equal to 2, so what will be the value of sum? So in case of I equal to 2, the value of sum will be here is a problem. We should write 1.0 here, otherwise it will give a wrong answer, since I is the integer variable, and we should write 1.0 here, and we will divide by I. So let's start again the debug. Now we are starting again the debugging option. Debugging is very much necessary to understand is there any logical error or not. If you do not debug, you never understand about logical error. So you should practice the process. So again, we take the value of n is 3, then we go to, so initially for I equal to 1, the sum will be 1. Already I told about that. Then when I equal to 2, sum should be 1.5. Here we see that sum should be 1.5, and we also already indicated here for I equal to 2, sum is 1.5. For I equal to 3, it will be 1.83332 something. We already discussed it there. When n is when I is incremented by 1, and now the value of I is 4. When the value of I is 4, the condition is false here. Then if it will print the total sum up to two floating point number, that means the output should be 1.83. So I hope you will understand how to write a program for a harmonic series. If you have any question, please never hesitate to ask me in the comment box. It will be very helpful for me. If you are new in my channel, you can subscribe my channel and please click on the bell icons. Thank you. Thank you for your patience.